now got 79 on 14 carries. Timeout.
All right, guys, so we are here at Doghouse Garage. They're at their new location. So they're having a little open house, a little get together. I'm gonna show you guys what they got going on. Got a handful of really nice cars here. Some really nice Hondas and a couple other cars mixed in. So I'll show you real quick. Plus they got a couple inside up on the lift. They got a nice old like N600 Honda. They got a beautiful left-hand drive Integra Type R, a black one. So I'll show you guys that too. But I'm gonna run through, I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars here. You guys let me know what you think, and we'll have another fun one. All right. This beautiful lowrider, nice Impala. Got the EK Panda, running down Civic Type R on the CEs. Big old turbo in the Integra. And those are not headlights, guys. Those are turbos. It's a cool look the way they did it though. They made it look like headlights. That's pretty cool. I like that. I bet it's fun. Let's see what he's got in the back. He's got the radiator mounted. It is definitely not an import. But I still like what they got going on. Let's see what else we got. Got the EK. I just spotted McRib. Hey! Aren't you McRib? What's up, bro? How you doing? That's a little EM1, looking super clean. And like I said, we got the EK or EJ6 since it's a left-hand drive one. It looks good. Look, they're trying to 48-point turn this Civic Type R. Look, everybody helping. Everybody helping. We got 42 helpers. They got 42 helpers. Ah, he made it through. There we go. Let's see if that race bred lip is allows you to stand on it or not. That looks good. When they run that low, you need help parking them, because he almost put that thing into the speed bump. He's gonna put it into the back. The three's looking good, fully caged up. Caro seats. It's got the whole cage, super clean inside. For a car that's driven, like really driven, it's clean. What is Mr. McRib 47 feel about this one? Is he ready to switch over to a BMW?
I just wish it was manual.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's all of them. I wish they were manual.
Nothing's clean.
Yeah. I could see you in a BMW, sir.
No, I don't want to.
I could see you in a BMW.
My pockets aren't deep enough.
For the maintenance cost.
Yeah, could do anything cost.
Oh, he definitely knows that car. Oh, that speed bump life. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. He was like, too easy. That one's gonna be rough. Not too bad. All right, guys, so running through the Doghouse Garage, little open house meet that they have. They've got a lot of good cars. Like I said, they had a giveaway, if you guys didn't know, and it was in between 3 cars. It was in between the Integra Type R, the black one, the CRX, and the EK. So that was, oh, no, not the EK, sorry, S2000. So it was pretty cool. They did the giveaway. You guys let me know what you think. I ran through, it wasn't even planned. So I apologize that I didn't like post ahead that I was headed out this way or anything else. Literally I was out at the Peterson in LA and McRib hit me up and was like, hey, way down here in Costa Mesa, Doghouse Garage is doing their open house. Hey, get down here. So I hauled ass down here, ran through for you guys. You guys let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite car was. And man, we'll keep doing this. I hope you all enjoyed. As always, I appreciate you. If you haven't already, comment, subscribe, like, hit that little notification bell, and we'll keep growing the channel together. All right, guys, I'm gonna head off to the next one. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you there. See the crab walk. There we go.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit!